Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restart your LENOVO 14e Chromebook Generation 2. So there are several ways to restart this laptop. We can either open the control center in the bottom right corner, go to power options here, and after expanding them, select restart. This will restart your laptop. Also, you can hold down the power button in the top right corner of your keyboard for a couple of seconds. This will make the power menu appear on your screen, and here you can select shutdown. After your device is shut down, you will be able to turn it on once again, or you can just hold the power button for another couple of seconds until your screen turns white, then goes off, then wait for another couple of seconds and short press the power button once again. In a couple of seconds, you should be able to see the ChromeOS logo on your screen, and this means that your device is restarting. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.